Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install an instantaneous hot water heater. Now we're a little cramped in here because one of the things is where they like to put hot water heaters is out of the way in a closet, and it's really tight spaced. What I like about these instantaneous hot water heaters is they're very small and compact. You can get those old water heaters out of there and put one of these in. Right here is our unit. What happens is the cold water comes in here, goes through this pipe, and it warms it as it goes through, and then it comes out all nice and warm. These are very easy to install. We had to reduce down from a 3/4 pipe to a 1/2 inch to go into our hot water heater because this was a 1/2 inch thread here. As you can see here, we had to reduce from a 3/4 to a 1/2 inch because the pipe running into the hot water heater accepts a 1/2 inch thread. And here we have a 1/2 inch pipe running out into some quick connects and onto our shutoff valve. The old water heater sat about this high, and we were able just to cut here, put some quick connects in. With this, we were able to take the original bend in the pipe, twist it around with that quick connect, and right into our new hot water heater. Another thing you have to worry about is the electrical unit that you have. If you see here, we have a distribution box, so that way we can get the proper amps running into the hot water heater. A lot of these pull a lot of amps, a lot of watts. You got to make sure that you are able to handle this through your electrical box. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to install a new hot water heater. Thanks for watching, and good luck with this project.